Yes, massive, massive, blessed love, and welcome to the channel again. I hope everybody out there do well, I see. Yeah, man, so we're there again for another reasoning, and as usual, we'll talk about some of the things that we see are going like community space and in our social space in way, you see. And we'll talk about CMR same way. Yeah, we'll go back on the topic same way, and we still want to say we like a piece. Because, to be frank with the item still, you see, the topic here, I want a kind of sensitive topic. I want the most sensitive topic on the social space right now. You see it? And it not only sensitive because of the people who involved directly in a wagwan right now still. But it's sensitive to people who been through situation like these or like this before, you see it? Cause for them people there, me sure say it hard for them to listen to them kind of things there, cause it a go bring back certain kind of memory, and you understand, them a go relive certain kind of moment and them kind of things there. We bring certain kind of depression and stress upon some people still. So the thing here, it's sensitive in a whole heap of ways differently still. And we realize people are complaining about them channel being strike, and some people are get warning email and all kind of different things. You see it, and me could understand why. You see it? Cause you see, what you know in a community and what you can prove in a court. So you can speculate certain kind of things, and you can have certain kind of inkling and say, you know what, I believe say I saw it going on. But believing that and can collaborate things for substantiate your belief, it's totally different when time people go in at the court of law. Because now we are talking about to prove what you believe say are true. See? So we see CMR come out and him attack to him people and him say him go through certain kind of depression and him feel low and them kind of things. Understandable. We could have know say the moment it's not easy if you need him Crissy nor nobody else who involved in this. You see, I'm sure say I don't want good situation for none of them, you see it. And we then understand why him not talk nothing about the situation. Because me then think say the situation is being investigated, so me not think say him shoulda or coulda talk about it still. You see me I deal it. But the speculation them still they go on. And people still a say them peace, cause the whole thing it look away. Cause watch you now. Me as a youth where me not gonna tell nobody say the person they are no and a your soulmate. Me not gonna tell nobody say you fi left your manners, or me hear some people on the internet I say, you understand? When they come on to them, they kind of sitting there, them things are some personal issue they know. You see it where people have to make them personal decision and looking at their life to see what suit for them life. You understand? So we only can stay out there and watch, and we can't make whatever outcome we see, we get too caught up and too disappointed and then kind of sitting because people have to live their life. See? So me see the brethren, yeah, him choose not to talk nothing more than, you understand? Him talk about the death of him grandmother, and my condolences to him and his family, same way on the last of him grandmother, you see it. But me then want just say a little thing to see him more differently still. You see, you see whatever outcome this go come out to be, a kinda nasty taste go left in a people vibration towards their different still, you see, because you see reputation is a thing, you know. People can love you, you know, and people can like what you do, you know. But your reputation being tarnished, whatever the outcome in the end game, whether the allegation proved to be just you understand, hoax and make up story and false and all of them things, or if the allegations are true and the outcome, whatever the outcome is, people go still appraise certain things. And you see, let's say you beat that thing and you come forward and you and Crissy are deal with that thing same way. But they just advise you differently still, you see. You see, certain things, I'm not going to tell you say you have to run on the show a certain way. You understand? Because you big people, own big people, and you do what you want to do, and the crowd will like them things. Probably like the things them what them the same way too, obviously. See? But a program here, it have certainly kind of ranchiness about it differently still, and we can't go around that. And you see, if you're forward, you have to go show more maturity differently still, you see? Certain little things and I have to go change up. That is just my opinion towards you differently still, you see? Because as me say, people go look for whatever evidence what they can find to substantiate some of the belief what they have. And to be honest with you, me see you kind of cross certain little lines differently still. See? I'm not going to say, because you have anything hidden in your mind why you do them things there. You can't just do it because you feel like I say it would have been a good little topic to talk about. But guess what? You see my daughter differently still. Me no want a stepfather talk to her about no relationship thing. That are how me pray as a man still. You see, if me have a daughter, me then feel uncomfortable to know say our stepfather I talk to her anything about no relationship and them kind of things. You see it, me see some videos where you cross that kind of line the differently still. You understand? And you see when you open certain kind of doors differently still, it will left for people speculate. You see me? So you can't too vex with people when people say certain things. You have to just look into yourself and make the adjustment them. You see it? Because I know say that The YouTube thing are different. Still, the internet thing is an ego-driven thing. See? And me would want to see people just take on to the thing and push the little egotistic style on people, because remember, on a call on self-influencers, that means on a rub off influence on people, you see? And everybody wants to be like, you understand? So obviously, certain little influence go rub off on people and people go copy people behavior and them kind of things, you see? So them little ego thing are different, they still. You understand? You have to just recalibrate and just calm down yourself and pre-life in a one more mature way, is it? That are just my little thing what I then tell you differently still, if you happen to come across the video. And you see, for the young YouTubers, them like myself, where they come up and we are trying to find a little space in the community, make we be more careful. You see, instead of trying to be first, pay more attention and trying to be right. Not try to just be first. Because you see that me first kind of attitude, yeah, it a damage with people them, and it a go get whole heap of people in a problem, is it? Because as I said before, when people jump and make speculation, what you can speculate in the crowd, you can prove that in a court. And you know, it's a problem that for you if you take on to certain things. Because I see some people, the early stage, like them name the youth were involved in it. And that was a big wrong move. Because you see, the allegation come out and the documents come out afterwards. And the child wasn't named. See? So you see, the people who take it up on themselves now, they put the youth picture on their thumbnail and them speak specifically about the child and name the child, you go wrong there, sir. Anybody do it, you no go wrong. And you see, if the people decide, say, they go put out certain kind of, you understand, pressure upon the item, you must understand, say, you know when go wrong. You see it? Because from the authorities never name the child, nobody shouldn't take it upon themselves if you name the child differently still, you see it? And watch you now. Young YouTubers like myself, you see a Bridget and J Progress. Me never meet the Bridget there yet, one day in my life. Me no meet him yet though, yet. Me no meet him yet. But me I look forward to meet the Bridget there differently still, you see, because yes, a Bridget there. Anybody who misunderstand J Progress is because you are deliberately misunderstand the Virgin. See? Because more times some people might pay attention to the delivery of the message and then focus so much on how the message was delivered. They miss all of the important points of the conversation. See? Enough things been learned from J Progress. J Progress I talk about other people and I sit down and I learn. And not me my direct argument to you know. But me take it by myself to say, you know what? Me can learn from that. That makes sense. Me can apply that. You know what? That's important to me. So me can incorporate them the things to make myself a better person. Simple. Me respect that you there. Young YouTubers, you must take out some moment out on a time. You see, if you no mean for make a career out of this, you try to learn from the people them who do it and have the knowledge, and not only have the knowledge, but the one them who choose to impart the knowledge upon the upcoming youth them. Whatever I do, whether I do music reaction, whatever feels I do, just take a time out. Listen to J Progress, because he might drop enough gems. You see, he might tell we some things where if we listen, them trap then I go catch you. Because some whole heap of trap there out there and a whole heap of politics there out there in the game. You know. See? But you see the one them who willing to help us as young YouTubers, we have to salute them. That's why I say that you with your J Progress. Big up yourself, brother. Respect, manners, give thanks. Yeah, man, give thanks. A whole heap of things you tell me, and a whole heap of things I learn from it. You see it? I'm going to implore all of the young YouTubers them, take a time out, listen to them youth, because guess what? Enough successful YouTubers out here. When I look back with spot, they can strengthen and help propel each other. You see it? And if you see J Progress and him way growing up and him step back down and come talk to me and say, yo, I saw it going up. You see, when time I reach up here, so I don't pay attention to this and that. So it's like the man I pave the way, I carry way all the way up with him. And how much of them we see I do it in the Jamaican circle. You see it? So for that, me have to say massive respect. B1 TV, big up yourself, General. Yeah, man, we tune into your thing, man. Not because we know, you understand? Yeah, man, but we tune in, man. Chucker, yeah, man, bless up yourself, man. And all of the YouTubers, them in our circle. Common sense. Big up yourself. No, some will no grudge. You see it? Daddy Gagan, big up yourself. Wayne, big up yourself, brother. Massive respect. See? Yeah, man. All I man them, man. And a big up and bless up on yourself, man. You see? And out of this, make we take all of them things there, some learning. So you see all I man them with them step youth them, whether step boy or step daughter, step son or step daughter. They them have to just be more serious and careful at the lines where they them cross. You see it? Cause certain kind of things it will not only tarnish the eye them reputation, but it will also tarnish the youth them. You understand? And it's a better community we are look. So once I give thanks to the moment, your people. Bless upon yourself. Take care of their themselves. Take care of their them family. Yeah man, heart of love. Rastafari.